Hello, we're at Mobile World Congress this week and I'm speaking to Sebastian Val from the Fraunhofer FOKUS. Hello Sebastian, thanks for joining us. Perhaps you might want to start by telling us a little bit about what Fraunhofer FOKUS is.
Sure. Now, Fraunhofer as such is a research organization. It's actually Europe's largest organization for applied research. We have 16,000 researchers and engineers working in Germany in about 16 institutes that are spread across Germany. And I am representing here today Fraunhofer FOKUS, which is, it stands for Open Telecommunication Systems and is actually the telecommunications institute within the Fraunhofer Society.
Okay, and obviously you're an Open Mobile Alliance member and today you're participating in their demo day. Tell us a bit more about the smart home application that you're demoing today.
Right. We research platforms, communication platforms, and we use them in our demos. So today we have a smart home context, and we were showcasing different scenarios. So in the first scenario, we show that the user can control devices in his home environment, such as light or air conditioning. He can retrieve information from devices, from sensor devices, and see this in his mobile device, his usual communication terminal that he's using. Actually, we linked IMS together with the OMA LockSIP enabler and other OMA enablers to bring the IoT and M2M communication to the usual communication environments that the user would use. So in a second scenario, we add more automation to the system where we use policies, user-defined policies to automate the system. So for example, the user is leaving his home and the light is still switched on, so he would receive a notification, hey, your light is still switched on, and he has the chance to switch it off. Or maybe he wants to leave it on because he left it on for a purpose. So in the third scenario, we complete the automation cycle by adding action to the scenario where the light is turned off automatically, or let's say the air conditioning is turned on because temperature is high and I am at home. So we combine different information, have a user-defined policy, and then act based on this.
Sounds great. And as a research institute, you look at M2M platforms. Would you like to tell us a bit more about that?
Sure. As I said, we do applied research, so whatever we do, we don't try, to sit in an ivory tower and do fancy stuff, but we apply it to industry. So a lot of our partners, customers are also academics, universities, but also operators, vendors, integrators that make use of our platforms to do early technology evaluation, standards evaluation. All our platforms are based on standards, so it's 3GPP, it's HCTC M2M, it's OMA of course, so it's based on standards, we implement based on them, and you can do testing, benchmarking, performance testing, conformance testing. We provide our knowledge, our expertise as an R&D service to our partners.
Well, thank you, Sebastian, for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thank you, Jan.